That's how you tie the online content with some sort of offline action that you were taking to determine did it work? Did it develop a conversion that you can't track because you're not in e-commerce, so you can't track that online sale, but you can track that whole chain of events through all these little links in the chain here into my sales process.
Or just to track whether more traffic came back to the website, period.
Yeah.
I mean, our actionable item was just to get more awareness. How we want to get brand recognition for so we're going to measure that by how many people came back to the site.
Right.
Following a conference or presentation.
Absolutely. Yep. So if you take it, I love how you're thinking there, because when you unwind that to that, what happens outside of my site and then what happens in my site. So let's say you went to the conference, but you also did some PR around that.
Yeah.
And you got a write-up in that little paper, right? You should see then a lift for your global or local ranking for your site in general over time. And then you should also see some sort of action, right? Either navigational, informational, or transactional onto your site around whatever demographic you thought you were affecting. And then you should also see something coming out of that, which might be a phone call. Make sense?
We're kind of doing that at our company. We're manufacturing these custom gearboxes, so we're going to, it doesn't make sense for us to go to, we sometimes walk trade shows, but we don't really show at them. So what we're doing is vetting. I vet the trade show ahead, the exhibitors,
Yeah.
and look them up, see if it's a fit for us. Put articles on LinkedIn. I connect with people, engineers, buyers, owners.
You've got an impressive system that you run.
Yeah, and then I put a story out that, let's say it's an ag show, put an agricultural story out there.
Yeah.
When I'm connecting with those people. And then, it's just awareness. So at some point we go out on the road, they stop in, they see our stuff all the